Okay, in this example, we are asked to write an arithmetic sequence where we are given the 7th term and the 26th term. So we did this in class, we did this two different ways. So just a reminder, kind of the first more traditional way is I'm going to write two equations. The first equation is going to be for the 7th term. So the 7th term, so actually before we do that even, let's remind ourselves what the equation is. So our equation is a to the n equals the first term plus n minus 1 times d, where d is the common difference. So in order to find the 7th term, well, let's see. The 7th term is 17, and it's going to equal the first term, which we have no idea which term, what that is, times n minus 1. N in this case is 7, so 7 minus 1 times d, which we have no idea what d is. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the 26th term. So the 26th term is 93, and that's going to be equal to the first term, which again, we have no idea what it is. N is 26, so 26 minus 1 times d, which again, we have no idea what that is. I'm going to clean these up a little bit. So let's see what we get. So 17 equals the first term plus 7 minus 1, which is 6, so 6d. And then for the second one, I get 93 equals the first term plus 25d. From here, I'm going to solve my system. What I'm going to choose in order to solve this system is I'm just going to subtract these equations from each other. And I'm about to sneeze. I'm hoping it's not too loud. Let's keep on going until I do. So I'm going to get negative 76. Notice a1 minus a1 is 0, so the a1's cancel out. And then 6 minus 25 is negative 19. So negative 19d. Dividing both sides by negative 19, I get d is equal to 4. Okay, so now we're back to what we did the other day, and that is we have the common distance, we have two terms, so I'm just going to now take one of my two terms. I think I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to rewrite the formula, so this formula right here, but now I know what d is, so I can plug it in. So in other words, our 7th term, well, what is it? It's 17 equals our first term, which we still have no idea what that is, plus, if you don't mind, 7 minus 1 is 6. So I'm just going to replace 7 minus 1 with 6 times d, which we just found, which is 4, times 4. So we get 17 equals first term plus 24. So subtracting 24 from both sides, I get negative 7 equals the first term. So our formula is going to be a to the n equals our first term plus n minus 1 times d, which is 4, right? So we grab first term and our d. From there, we can just do a little bit of cleanup. And that is how we write our sequence equation given 2 points.